Hey guys, it is Saturday morning. I'm in Big Bear, Lake, California right now, about to go to the expo here in a few minutes. I just went to the urgent care to get myself looked at. I've got had a sore throat for a while and got a little bit of a cough, so wanted to go ahead and get better. So I went down there and I'm at the Walgreens right now, getting ready to go in there and get some drugs from them to get this thing knocked out. But anyway, I drove from Colorado to California the other day, and I had mounted just my phone up here. I really do like this setup right here a lot. Just simply do that. You put your phone, in there landscape wise or however you want to do it, and it works really well. I did just mount my CB mic holder out there, and my theory was, when I was rocking before, was just this little Moment MagSafe magnet, and I had it placed right in here somewhere, and it worked pretty good. But it forced me to have a MagSafe case, which I now do not have. But I wanted more options to put a GoPro or Insta360, and also maybe even a Garmin InReach, or my microphone holder here. It's just a little bit more easily accessible at this point right here. So you can kind of see you've got tons of space here to put all kind of gadgets. You can put an iPad in here if you wanted to. You got a rail up here as well. These things are, there's no drilling whatsoever. What holds it in there is these are compression blocks that you push in, and you tighten them down with a supplied Allen wrench, both sides, and you put these arms back here and attach them with a little bolt, and this is stuck on with little sticky tape back here. But this thing is rock solid. I guess my only hesitancy on getting this to begin with was honestly, it's a lot of stuff going on, and I wasn't sure I would like that. But after thinking it through and figuring out how I could make this happen, my biggest struggle was figuring out a good way to videotape things I was going through. Say if I was going through a beautiful area and I wanted to just hit a button, I could just hit a button right here and it's going to videotape, record everything I'm looking at going frontwards. Also, I can simply turn it around and videotape myself and talk about what I'm going through that day as I'm driving or whatever. But this is going to give me a lot more freedom to add and subtract as I need to based on my needs. This is made by Terra X Innovations, and this is the Navidok Overlander X. This is one component here, and then you can buy all these different RAM mounts. I mean, these things are so easy. You just put them in that little slot there and turn it, and that locks it down. And then you can buy either this is a 2-inch arm right here, then I've got a 3-inch arm right here to give you more mobility and everything. But I think I'm going to like this quite a bit. None of this stuff has been in the way of me coming and going to the front or to the side, which I like. But I also like the modularity of it, to where I can take off if I want to, or add more stuff to it. So these guys are at excuse me, they have a booth set up at the Big Bear. They're also going to be at Ventura. Highly recommend y'all going by and seeing them. They're real nice people up there, and they will help you out. Y'all guys have a good day.